Hey guys and welcome. So on tonight's episode, I think I'm going to work on doing some sound deadening on the rear doors of my MK4 TDI Wagon. I also got a new RCN 210. This is like a Chinese radio that's made to look like a OEM Volkswagen radio, but it has USB, Bluetooth, all the modern tech modern convenience features. So I think I'm going to finally install this. I've had it for a while. I don't know why I've been putting it off. It's super easy to do, hopefully, fingers crossed. The only part I'm worried about is because my car has steering wheel controls. So it supposedly has a CAN bus emulator, but I've read it's not very good. So hopefully I can maintain the functionality of the steering wheel controls with this radio, because it would be nice to have something a little bit more modern and also have a USB port to be able to charge my phone. So I'm gonna install this, and then also I'm gonna do the rear door cards, take them off and put this sound deadening material in it. I just got this like Nico, it was like Amazon brand or Amazon recommended or whatever. It looks pretty good. So I know there's pretty big misconception about how these work. A lot of people think that this is kind of like a barrier for the sound waves coming through, but actually really it does do that a little bit, but the main way that this dampens the sound is it just creates more mass on whatever surface you're on. So if you're on like a flat hard surface that has like a resonant frequency, you can tap on it and you hear that noise or whatever. This just creates more mass, so it basically lowers those resonant frequencies and dampens those sound waves. I'll actually play a clip because I've already installed it. I'm doing the intro a little bit late for me tapping on the front door, which right now doesn't have any, and then on the back door, which I've installed some of this. So yeah, you don't have to go crazy. We can cover like every single area. The only point of it really is just to increase the mass on those surfaces. And then go ahead and install the radio. Hopefully it'll be a big improvement. I'll probably do like a check back in a couple weeks or whatever to see how I'm liking the radio. Yeah, I try not to do reviews because I'm not very good at them, but this is one of those things where there's not a ton of reviews out there on it. But all right, with that, let's get to it. guys, so update on the radio removal project. I've probably spent about 3 nights trying to get this radio out of my car. I've had absolutely no luck. I've tried everything as far as using the tools. I even went as far as taking the whole dash apart and then drilling into the side of the radio cage so I could push the tabs. On my own, I probably spent like 6 hours trying to get this radio out. But finally I found the reason why it wouldn't come out, although slightly unfortunate. I guess whoever had this car before me, whatever, just hated rattles because like everything in there has been like double-sided adhesive taped together, including the radio, which was double-sided adhesive taped onto the side of the radio cage and on the bottom. I was able to cut the adhesive on the sides, but I can't get to the adhesive on the bottom. But my radio cage was kind of old and worn out anyway, so I just bought a new one. I think it was like 40 bucks or something like that. So I'm just gonna replace the entire radio cage with the radio. Fingers crossed it'll all work out. It does involve removing the dashboard again and then removing the center console, but I have a new shift knob too while I have the center console off that I'm going to put on. And then if I have some more time tonight, I'll work on doing the front door card sound deadening. And then also I think all these plastic panels that take off, I'm going to put sound deadening on. So up until this point, the Fad Show has been a family show, but whoever owned this car before, this has been a pain in the ass. Like, I just can't even believe why someone would even do this. It's been such a pain in the ass to get this thing off, but his... Okay, I think I've calmed down now, but yeah, whoever owned this car before, I just don't appreciate this. This was a friggin' nightmare getting this thing off. But finally, I've got the radio out due to taking the entire cage out. But as I expected, or as I suspected, it was double-sided adhesive taped all together. And even the friggin' radio antenna was fucking super glued to the point where it hooks up because they broke the clip on it. But whatever, the thing's out. Hopefully a new radio works, because I don't know if this one would ever work again.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't.
A quick sanding and fresh coat of interior paint gave a new life to this tired HVAC trim.
Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down. least it was worth the try. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. It was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
I took the time to clean up some of my old tire trim pieces while they were out of the car. I also had to use plenty of super glue and also plastic weld some of the broken trim pieces back together.
I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Hey guys, so this episode was a little bit of an emotional roller coaster, but you know, with due diligence and perseverance, I finally got the radio installed. Also made some more interior upgrades as far as sound deadening, new pedals, and new shifter. While I was there, I also took the time to clean up some of the old worn out trim. But I guess that's just kind of how it goes sometimes with working with project cars. But luckily I had the time and just worked my way through it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this episode, and stay tuned for the next one, where I think we're going to start working on some exterior upgrades for the car, as far as new headlights and some other goodies that I have in store. There's also a little bit more I have left to do on the interior that's also going to be coming up. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this episode. Thanks for watching, and if you really liked it and you want to see more content and me working on my project wagons, then go ahead and like and subscribe. All right, thanks guys, bye.